Nung Typhoon Piping kasi is nasa paanan kami ng bundok sa pinakababa. Tapos nilipat kami sa may school para centralize na lang daw yung evacuation center. Mga past 10 siguro ng gabi na yon nung maingay na sa ano na ang naririnig namin that time is erase na ang Little Kibungan. Umasa pa rin kami na safe yung bahay na. Sorry po. Umasa kami that time na safe pa rin yung bahay namin. Sabi ng kapitbahay namin na wala na tayong bahay na uuwian. Tapos yun, ang daming kwentong naririnig na meron yung dinaanan na lang nila dyan na patay na tao pero hindi pinulot kasi patay na, kinabukasan na lang pag may araw na ganon. So kinabukasan yun, tumambad ng mga patay na tao. Wala din naman kasing nakakaalam na babagsak yung bundok. Malay mo, 10 years from now, 20 years from now na naman, andun pa rin yung bundok. So laking tulong pag mayroon talagang mai-install na device na magdidetect sa movement.
Project Calamity is abbreviation. The first letter there is Cordillera, because Cordillera is a mountainous area, and a lot of areas are very steep, has steep slopes. So, which makes Cordillera as one of the landslide-prone areas or regions in the Philippines. Calamity brings together different modules, or is a toolbox wherein we have certain parameters in the environment like soil moisture, temperature, rainfall intensity, and movement of the ground for us to enable to predict landslides before it happens.
So for BLIST kasi, we are already in the testing of the soil. So sa soil kasi, there are different kinds or different types of soil na hindi same yung threshold nila sa water. Okay? So dito, ang Calamity, ang trabaho niya naman is to study the different kind of soil with the help of MGB na. And together, we will now formulate the best fit na formula para ma-predict natin ngayon yung upcoming na landslide.
Kung ang tanong ay participation, we need to participate and we need to cooperate with, of course, the technical person of this equipment para alam naman natin kung ano ang readings, ano ang mga warnings na binibigay ng equipment na to. Our participation and our expectation to this equipment will help us reduce the effects of the calamity that will come in our locality. Especially, it will help us protect more lives and property. We are gifted with technology, we are gifted with advancement of our learnings kung paano natin maprotektahan ang ating mga sarili, properties, mga pamilya, no? But putting this technology, it is more advanced, it is more efficient, it is more accurate. Mas malaki po ang maidudulot nitong tulong sa ating constituents, especially sa mga vulnerable areas like Kibungan Village or the lower portions of Kibungan Village, which will be affected by the slides.
Citizen science is one of the keys to this project, and also the co-ownership of the communities, our partners, LGUs, is very important because the sustainability of Project Calamity is dependent on our relationship with the community and the local government units. So that's how we plan it, how we envision it in the future. It will be a tool, a decision support that can save lives and properties globally. Project Calamity is a trailblazing innovation for better and safer communities.